Hello everyone, welcome to Healing Vibes. Welcome to our guided meditation for stress relief and deep relaxation. In this meditation, we'll embark on a journey to calm your mind, relax your body, and release the stress of your day. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this guided experience is designed to help you find a deep sense of peace and relaxation. All you need is a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and allow your hands to rest naturally. Take a moment to settle in, and when you're ready, we'll start with deep breathing. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with air, and hold it for a moment. Now exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Continue this deep 3 to 4 times, rhythmic breathing, focusing on the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. As you relax, gently guide your awareness through your body, from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension and imagine them melting away with each exhale. Picture yourself in a peaceful place. It could be anywhere you feel calm and happy. Immerse yourself in this setting. Notice the details, the colors, sounds, and sensations around you. Imagine each breath washing away stress and tension. With every inhale, draw in peace and calm. With every exhale, release worry and stress. Feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Repeat these affirmations silently. With every breath, I am more relaxed. Stress is leaving my body. I am calm and at peace. Let these words resonate within you, reinforcing a sense of tranquility. As our meditation comes to a close, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Take a moment to appreciate the calmness you've cultivated. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining us in this guided meditation for stress relief and deep relaxation. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state anytime you need. Be well and take care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching,